Hello students. Hello students. Welcome back. And how are you all? Welcome back to Geeks for Geeks school. So आज की वीडियो में हम simulation सीखेंगे and a very sorry to all the students because last video में I saw many students were messaging me in the live chat, but because of some issues with the network I could not see my live chat. So it like I'm really sorry for that, and like let's start today. And okay, so you guys know that we have already done a lot of things like previously, and we have almost at the end of course F of code.org, and let's see what we are going to do today. And before starting this, I was just quickly want to mention that we have a contest on 7th of August. Don't forget to participate and register for that contest. The link will be in the description box, and you might get a very good scholarship and you can learn data structures and algorithms. And we already had a podcast yesterday, and today also, most probably today or tomorrow also, we are going to have a podcast in which you can understand the meaning of data structures and what is the use of data structures. Okay, so I can see some people over here. You can just quickly say hi to me and then we'll just start, and let me just know that if I'm clearly audible and visible to all of you. Okay, so आज के टाइटल से आपको समझ में आ गया होगा what we are going to do today. Basically today we are going to learn about simulation. So till now we have learned what is variable, what is loops, for loop, while loop, do while loop, and no, sorry, not do while, repeat loop. And we have also done, I guess, yeah, how to take input and how to print things, how to create animations, all of that. Now you're going to learn simulation, which is a very important part. Like when you are going to create some projects, you're definitely going to need simulation, right? Like you're definitely gonna make like something moving or something going from here to there. So all of that come under simulation, and let's see how you can achieve that and how we can get that. I can see a few people over here. Can you guys quickly tell me that if I'm audible to you all, I'm clearly visible? Okay, someone is here. Okay, gaming was so again I was having problem. I could not see your messages now, but I can see your messages. So now let's just quickly start. Okay, so I had Aniket in my last class. He was saying again and again that he was not in the like previous class, and did I saw his message. Aniket, if you're watching it right now or if you're going to watch it later on, yes, I saw your message and it's okay, I got it that you had something important, but do watch the video and keep on learning the concepts. Okay, so yeah, let's just quickly go to the course F. You know how to go there, and you know how to sign in also. So please sign in while you're starting with the project and go in learn, and inside this go in grade K to 5 and course F. Okay, so we are at the end, almost at the end. So you guys know that I have already like done all these lessons with you guys, like introducing sprite lab, making sprites. You know about like what sprite is and how we can make sprite. Okay, good afternoon, Raj. And what are actions? You know, mini project. We have done a mini project in which we had a virtual pet, and the pet was basically moving from here to there and all of that, right? And then we had like these unplugged activities which we have already seen. Then we had done text and prompts, mini projects, loops, drawing with loops, variables with artists, programming with B. We have done multiple slides and multiple things on bees, variables with bees, for loop for fun, for loop for bees, for loop with artists. So all of these things are already done. If you have not watched my videos, just go and give it a watch. Hi Rahul, you were also there in the last class, and you were there also in the last class, and we had like I saw your messages later on, but yeah. Okay, so now if you guys have something, like if you guys need to like tell me something, like if you have any doubts or anything like that, you can write in the comment section. If you just want to spam, don't write. Okay, cool. So I don't want like unnecessary comments or unnecessary things in the live chat, because that way I miss the messages of students who are asking doubts and anything like that. So if you just wanna like tell me something important, or if you have any doubt, you can write. Otherwise, you just can like don't spam it. Okay, because I don't like people who distract me. Okay, now let's start with the lesson 16, which is simulating experiments, and then we have outbreak. Okay, And then like in this class we are going to cover lesson 16 and 17. Okay, Raj is asking that I'm new here, can you tell me what are you teaching? So Raj, may I know in which standard you are first, so that I can help you in like according, like after knowing your standard, once I know that in which class you are, it will be easy for me to help you or guide you like what you need to do. Okay, so just like that, and then I'm gonna come back to you. Okay, so here you can see we are going to do today's lesson 16 and lesson 17, which is simulating experiments and outbreak. So I'm not gonna do 17 lesson ki sari slides. I'm gonna do few of them and few I'll give as homework. So I hope that you guys will do that. And nobody's sharing the link in the comment section, which is so wrong. And one more announcement, that we now have our Discord community, so you can join that. The link will be in the description box. Okay. So in the next class we'll be doing AI for oceans, which I guess some of you must have done. And the last thing, now we just have two classes. One is AI for oceans, and after that we will be having end of course project. So might be I'll like club these two in one session, or we'll have different session for both of them. So we'll see that according to what time and what things we have. Okay, so now let's just start with the lesson 16, and let's see what we have in simulation and what is simulation, basically how does it's going to help you. Okay, cool. So yes, okay, now you can see here we already have something. They just want us to run this thing. So you know the drill, you know how we work with in code.org. First we see the instructions, and after seeing the instructions we just follow the instructions, right? That's what I have taught you like in whole sessions. Okay, so run this simulation 5 times. Each time use the collect data activity guide to record how many apples. So you just have to just have to run this 5 times, and you have to see what you have to just see these three things. So how many apples apple collect, how many apples did hippo collect, and how much time did it take for all the apples to be collected. So you just have to run it again and again and just see. So here you'll notice one thing, that we have multiple apples, and one we have hippo and one we have elephant, and they're moving with different speeds. So we have a code written for that, and we also have a timer which is noting the time of the things getting collected. Okay, so Raj, you are in BE CSE first year. Cool. So I would advise you one thing. So basically this is block based programming, which is for the students of small which are students of which is for students of school. Okay, so if you are in BE and you don't know about programming, so you can do one thing. We have you can just subscribe to our Geeks for Geeks school channel, Java channel, C++ channel, or Python channel, whichever language you would prefer to learn, and go there. We already have a lot of playlists for from starting, we have foundation courses, free courses on our YouTube channel. So go and watch them and learn from them, and there the teachers, the mentors have told you that you can also comment your doubts in the comment section and they'll be helping you. Okay, so this is basically a block based programming session, and in this you are going to learn about the basic things like what are variables, what is the use of variables, what is loop, and how do we use loop, so how do we get the input, what is print statement, and all of this, some maths operations. So you are going to learn all of this, and for higher classes you can just go and even in GFG school channel we have a ML course workshop, and we have a Python workshop, we have a DBMS workshop, SQL workshop. So you can just learn according to that. Okay, RJ style artificial intelligence. Okay, Raj, I hope that I have helped you. So Raj is saying that subscribed all. Great, you have subscribed, and you can watch the videos and learn other things which you want, and all the things are free. So basically all the workshops are free. You don't have to pay a penny for that. So it's great for you, right? Now I'll just run it and let's see what we are doing. Okay, so you have to run it. So can you see the hippo is moving really fast, but what is happening is our elephant is not moving fast, right? So you can see over here that hippo has collected 12 and elephant has collected 8. Okay, now 8, and the whole thing is done, all the apples are collected in 18 seconds, right? So you have to do this again and again. You'll just feel like this is so simple and easy, why we are doing this, but this is going to help you. We are going to create something like this again and again. Okay, So you're going to just do these things again and again, and you're going to just basically, like, you just have to finish it, like just do it. And we are going to go in the next thing. I just want you guys to know that every time the number of apples are different and the timer is also different, right? So that's that. Now I'll just do it 5 times, and then I'll click on finish. You can even like not do it 5 times and just finish it. So this is for your reference that this hippo is moving with some another speed, and this elephant is moving with some another speed, and they are getting different number of apples, right? And one more thing is that you must be thinking that what is the motion called, like they are moving here and there, like this motion is not defined somewhere, right? So this motion is basically wandering motion. So when you're going to create something like this by your own self, you're going to create motion as wandering, okay? So that will be the behavior that you're going to apply, okay? So now let's just finish this and move on, okay? So I'll just continue it, and let's see what we have next in the store for us. Now you can see the code. So here just understand the code, like just understand the code, and you can modify also, like you can just like change this apple to this carrot, or you can just change it to anything else like peanuts or something like that. And you can also change the speed. So if I'll make this speed as 5, and I'll make this speed, no, not 5, 3, and if I'll make this speed as 7, nay, okay, I'll make this speed as more this time, like 6, and I'll make this as 3, okay? And let's see what are the differences. Like now let's see what will be the difference. Now elephant will move fast and hippo will move slow, okay? Can you see this? Okay, okay, okay. It is stuck. This elephant is stuck here only. It's moving here again and again. So it has to collect all the peanuts, and like once it is done, so you can just change the code. So you can see over here this simulation. First we are getting these like characters, or you can say sprites, and then we are setting a food item, and then we are setting the speed, and then we are just like moving them and doing this simulation, okay? Now I'll just continue. Okay. Okay, here you can see, here we have the actual code of how things are done. Like now you have to understand it very nicely, because you are going to create something like this in upcoming videos, okay? So I'll just make this small, and I'll just take a pencil, and first of all I'll just try and explain you the code which you can see over here. So here we have created two variables. One variable is score 1. So this is score 1, and this variable is score 2, okay? So and then we have two sprites, or you can say two characters. One is this piggy and one is this rabbit, okay? And then we have created one both of them. Then we have created 100 carrots, okay? Make 100 new carrots. So basically we are creating 100 carrots, and this is another sprite that we have created. And then we have set the size of each and every sprite. So for carrot we have set the size to 40, okay? And we have kept this size like the size of piggy and this cat as default size. So we are not gonna change it, okay? So the next thing is that we are going to set the speed of this piggy as well as the speed of our rabbit, okay? So let me just get this, let me clear it. Okay, here you can see we have set the speed of this piggy and the speed of the rabbit, and the speed of piggy is slower than the speed of rabbit. And then we have applied two behaviors. One behavior is for this piggy, and we have applied wandering, and again for this rabbit we have applied the behavior wandering, okay? Cool. I hope that is till now no one has any like doubt, or you can say any problem in this code. I hope this is like okay for you guys, like you are understanding this, okay? Yeah. So now we'll see, we have created few events. When piggy touches carrot, we have to remove that object, we have to remove that carrot, and we are increasing the score 1 by 1. So every time piggy collects a carrot, the score will increase by 1, okay? And for the next thing, we have created this rabbit and carrot. Like when this rabbit will touch carrot, we are going to remove that particular carrot, and the score will again increase by 1. Okay, then inside this repeat forever loop, what we have done is we have made a scoreboard over here. So bottom mein we will make a scoreboard, and inside this scoreboard what we'll do is we'll draw piggy and the score of piggy, and carrot and rabbit and the score of rabbit, and we are making target as carrot, like we have to like collect the carrots. Okay, we'll show that. So now I'll just quickly run and let's see what's gonna happen. If anyone faces any doubt in this code, if you're not able to understand this code, just do let me know. I'm just going to explain it again because it's very important. Like once you'll just like in the next lessons, once you'll go to the next lessons, you will understand that how important this is. Okay. So can you see, even if piggy is moving with slow speed, but it has collected many more carrots as compared to our rabbit. Okay, so you can see over this, like yeah, so it's done. Like all the carrots are like already all we have, they have collected all the carrots. So we'll just reset it and we'll move in the next one. Okay, hi Aniket, hello. Yeah, you were there in the last class and you were messaging me that you were not able to like connect me to me with me in the like last to last class. So I got your message, and like in the last class we had some network issues, so I could not able to see anyone's message. Okay, don't get upset, Aniket. I saw your messages. Okay, yeah. So this is the next lesson, outbreak, and here we have these like some monsters, and then we have some monsters who have a virus. So we are going to see what we are going to create in the next sessions. Okay, so let's continue, and this is a video. You don't need to like see the video for now, and let's move. Okay, so now let's see the instructions and let's see what we have to create for now. Okay, so today we are going to write the code so you can run your own simulation of the virus outbreak at Monster Town. So there we have a Monster Town, and there we have a virus outbreak. Okay, so all the monsters are getting virus. Okay, so we are like trying to not just give me a second. Yeah, so basically we are trying to I'll change the background color because it's not looking good. Okay, I hope this will look good. Yeah, so basically we are going to make these monsters in our workspace. First we'll bring Monster Town to life by creating sprites to represent the monsters. So we have to create the monsters. Write your code in the workspace, then press run to see the simulation. So we are going to we are going to create these monsters, and then we are going to press run. So how we are going to create? So first of all we have to create 10 healthy monster, then 1 sick monster. Sprites are the characters on the screen. So these sprites are what? These are characters on the screen. So we are going to create these, and then we have to set the size of sprites to 50, and then we have to apply the behavior, wandering behavior, and then we are going to press run. Okay, so can you do this by yourself? Let's just pause the video and try this thing by your own self. If you are able to do this, well and good. If you are not able to do this, I'm like doing it, so you'll like get it how you have to do. Okay, so just try and do it by yourself. Okay, first I have made 10 like these healthy monsters, then 1 unhealthy monster. Then first of all let me make it small. Okay, then we have to set the size of all the sprites to 50. Okay, I have to change the color because I cannot see the red one. Okay, so let me make it yellow. Okay, now I can see there, right? So yes. Okay, so this is one thing. Now we have to apply behavior. So for applying behaviors, we are taking this block sprite, all sprites. So we are applying all wandering behavior to all our sprites, and that's it. That's everything that we have to do. Now you guys tell me in the comment section that have you done it by yourself or you saw my video and then you did. So do let me know, and I'll just click on run. Can you see they are moving like this and wandering? So this movement is called wandering. So I'll just continue and let's see what we have in the next slide. Okay. Okay. So I'll just do one thing. I'll put it over here so that it gets easy. So now what happens is they are saying in the instruction, when your blue monster will touch the monster who have virus. So what we have to do is we have to change, like we have to convert this blue monster. So when you will when a monster, एक monster जिसको virus है and एक monster who is okay, when they will touch each other, the normal वाला monster will also get virus, right? So we have to convert the normal वाला monster into the monster जिसको virus हो गया है. So we have to do that. Okay, so let's do this. So what happens, this is the code we have written in the last slide. Okay, so I'll just quickly change the color of background because it's showing black and this is like more nice. Now when this blue monster will touch this virus wala monster, what we want to do is we are going to convert our blue wala monster into the red wala monster, pink wala monster, or you can say. So how it is done in Sprite Lab. So in Sprite Lab, to change, like to convert one monster to another monster, you can just change the costume. Okay, so you just have to change the costume. So what you will do is you will just take this. Okay, take this, Control C, you will copy this and you will like put it over here, Control V, paste, and now you will attach it over here. So that's how you are going to change the costumes and you are going to convert your normal monster into the virus wala monster. Okay, so now I'll just expand this and run this and let's see what is happening. Okay, wait. Okay, all sprites wandering. When blue monster touches red monster, change this costume to this. Okay, when, while. Okay, okay, actually can you see it is not like it's not going one by one, rather what is happening is it is basically okay. Okay, can you see this plus? Okay, can you see this subjects? So these are the two sprites that we are going to use and we are going to basically put it over here. Okay, and we are going to remove this. Like I'm gonna remove it. Okay, put it like this, and I'm gonna also remove this. Okay, when this will touch our this. Okay, so that's how I'm gonna do this, and I'll just click on minus, and now let's run and see if it is happening. Okay, now can you see when our blue monster is touching the pink monster, they are also converting into virus wala monster. Okay, so now it's perfectly fine. Okay, so yeah, so it does happens that you get stuck, even we get stuck, so it's okay to try different things and see what is happening, like what is the best thing to write the code. Okay, so now we'll see the next slide. So in this slide what we are doing is, one way to slow down the outbreak is to wear mask. So now we want our monsters to wear mask. Okay, so monster will with face mask will be unable to get the virus or give it to others. To make something happen when a type of monster click, can you use it? Okay, so what they want is that when we click on the monster, we want to change the costume and we want our monster to get a mask. Okay, mask on his face, because wearing mask will obviously you guys also wear mask these days when you go out, so wearing mask will stop them from like spreading the disease, okay, or virus. Okay, so what you have to do is use a when click block with the change costume block to give healthy monster a mask when they are clicked. Repeat this for sick monster. Press run and being rapidly click the monster, try to stop the outbreak. So what you have to do is you have to put the mask on all your monsters, so that when basically they will, so this is something which we have already done. So what happens is when we will click on them, we want them to wear masks so that there will be no spread of virus. So what we have to do is we'll go in sprite and we'll put this. Okay, and again we'll go on sprite and we will put this block over here. So what we have to do is we have to get one block over here. We'll go in sprites, and what will happen is wait, they don't have, I guess, yeah. So what we'll do is we'll just click on this, copy this and paste this, and I'll put it over here. Okay, again I'll just click on this, or you can do one thing instead, you can get this. Okay, you can get this, you can just put it over here, and similarly you can just open this, take this and put it over here, and now you'll run it and see what happens. Okay, so you have to quickly click on every. Okay, so now can you see, now because everyone is wearing masks, so even if they are touching, they are not spreading the virus, right? So that is a nice game, right? Like you can create this game and share it with your friends and they can play this game, like they can quickly put mask on all the monsters. Okay, and spread, like stop the spreading of virus. Okay, now here's the next thing. Now what you have to do is, let me just change the background color, that way it like looks good. Yeah, okay. So here let's see the instructions. So what we have to do, in new monsters are moving into monster town. So now we have so many monsters in the monster town. With this, what will this mean to the outbreak? So now few more people are getting into the monster town, and what do you think, what will happen? So basically, if there are a lot of people inside a monster town where we have a virus outbreak, so what will happen, all of them might get affected. Like there's a high chance that people get affected, like all the monsters will get affected. So we have to stop that. So let's do one thing. First we have to put more monsters in our town. Okay, so for that what you have to do is change the number of monster sprites to make this editing block. So here we made earlier 10, now we have to make lot of sprites. Okay, and now because we are creating lot of sprites, so we have to reduce the size, otherwise they'll not fit in that small space, and run the new simulation 3-5 times. Did anything happen? So you have to run it 3-5 times and you'll see what will happen. Okay, so now what we have to do is we have to create, okay, not 10, let's create 30. Okay, and let's create them, like let's create these 8. Okay, so we have created so many, and let's reduce the size to 30. Okay, so I can create more of them, like let's make it 40. Okay, you can make them 50. Okay, 50 are looking good. Okay, and then we have these 8 virus wale monsters, and what we'll do is we'll just this is the whole thing, and we'll just quickly run, and let's see what is happening. Can you see all of them are getting infected slowly, right? So this is one thing which we don't want. So it is better to avoid like crowd, like that's why it is said that don't go in crowded place, don't go in a place where we have a lot of people, because that will increase the number of cases, or that will increase the virus. Okay, so here is the next thing. Okay, so now let's see what we have to do over here. Okay, so again I'll just change the background, and let's see the instructions. Good news, monster can now start to feel better. So now monster are starting feeling better, and what will happen is, like you have to run this simulation to see what is the difference. Okay, after some time the monster will get like normal by itself. So you'll just run this, and let's see, can you see there's a bar over like at the top? So after this much time they're going to recover. Okay, so this is like this is he is recovered, so they are like becoming, and then they are recovering. Okay, so let's see, but still it is spreading. Can you see, by seeing the image you can see the virus is spreading, people are getting okay, but virus is still spreading. That's why even when we have vaccines, we have like now face masks and everything, it is said to not go to a crowded place, because the virus is spreading, right? Even if you are getting better, but the virus is spreading, and you are going to like have this problem, like you'll be having fever and other problems, other things. So not to go to a crowded place, because you will get the virus. So that's why you can see they are getting better, but they are also getting virus. Sometimes it's getting more, like lot of monsters are getting virus, sometimes only few of them are getting. So this is going to happen continuously. Okay, so now let's just reset and finish, and let's go to the next slide, and I'll just click on keep playing. So these are the games, or you can say a story kind of thing on coronavirus, or you can say COVID. Yeah, so we'll go on the next slide, and let's see what we have. Okay, I can see few people over here. You guys can say hi, or you guys can ask if you want to ask anything to me. Okay, so now we are left with 3 slides. Now I want you guys to tell me if you guys can try this by yourself, like if you guys are able to make this like this slides by your own self, or you guys want me to help you with it. Like quickly tell me in the chat section. If you guys will say that you like I should do this, so I'll do it. Otherwise you guys can try. I want you guys to try these 3 slides and share the link of these 3 slides with me. Okay, so you have to do this is your homework. You have to do these 3 9th, 10th and 11th slide, and you have to send the link of this 9th, 10th, 11th slide to me in the comment section, and I'll see that who all have done the homework, and I'll give a quick shout out to the people who are giving me homework in the next sessions, in the upcoming sessions. So let's see who all are going to give me these homeworks. It's not a very different thing, just a quick advice: just go and read the instructions, and once you're done reading the instruction, you will just understand how you can just do these things and how you can create it. And just please do the homework, do 9th, 10th and 11th slide, and share the link of 9th, 10th, 11th slide to me with me in the comment section, or you can share it on Discord also. We have a channel on Discord, the link will be in the description box. Okay, so if you guys like this video, and if you guys like this session, please give a thumbs up and put your links in the comment section, and I will be coming up with more amazing things in the next sessions. Okay, so see you guys in the next session, and hope I'll get some good projects and good things from you guys. So till then, take care and stay safe, and keep coding and keep learning. Bye bye everyone.